Continuing our exploration, we shift our focus to St. Vincent and the Grenadines, where Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves secures the number 8 spot. Prime Minister Gonsalves has been at the helm since 2001, holding the position for 22 years, making him the longest continuously serving head of government since the country gained independence in 1979. Gonsalves' political journey began early, engaging in various political and legal roles before assuming the role of Prime Minister. With a doctorate in government from the University of the West Indies, his academic background has significantly shaped his political career. In terms of salary, his earnings are not too dissimilar from our number 10 spot, with an annual salary of $150,454 Eastern Caribbean dollars, or $55,724 US dollars. This amount surpasses 3 times the average salary in the country.